Another day, another video where my hair is wet. Hi, so today we're going to be doing a Boxycharm, Allure, Ipsy unboxing. And then at the end of this video I did a get ready with me with some of the products. So this look right here, if you're interested in how some of the products performed, stay to the end. I'll also have a timestamp down below and on the screen somewhere for you to skip ahead if you're just interested in that. I did not use anything from the Allure box in the get ready with me, FYI. But yeah, so I have Ipsy, I have Allure, I have Boxycharm. I'm going to start with Boxycharm because I already opened it and I threw out the box. So before we get into it, make sure you're subscribed before you leave and give this video a thumbs up. You can also follow me on my makeup related Instagram. All that stuff is always down below. Let's just dive right in. So for Boxycharm this month, I know a lot of people were a little bit disappointed. The theme was Au Naturel. Card looks like this that came in this month's box. We got 5 full-size products. I'll start with the one that came as a trio. So that was this brush trio from Luxie Beauty. I love their brushes. I think that some people think they're not great quality, but I highly disagree. I think they're amazing. This is the trio. It's kind of hard to... It came with a blending brush, a foundation application brush or mask application brush, however you want to see it. I think it's technically a foundation brush. And then a little flat crease kind of, or not crease, but flat lid. So these brushes are a part of, I know it, throughout the pack it came with, but it, Milosh. I think it's called it's Gaea. That right there. I don't know how Milosh. Yeah, you're being annoying. It's Gaea. I don't know how you say it, and it said a pronunciation on the package that I threw out already, so you have to Google it. But these are, it's like a wooden handle, or it's made of something different than their normal brushes. So I think they're trying to be more environmentally friendly, which is nice. So it says, oh my god, I have powder on my arm. It says, yeah, they're eco-friendly. Create the perfect look with your new eco-friendly Luxie brush set. So I'm excited to have these. I've already used them. Obviously, they're great. Same quality as their normal brushes. Next up is this Butter London palette. Oh, sorry, the brush set retails for $30, so it's 10 bucks a brush. Next up is the Butter London, this is called the Natural Goddess eyeshadow palette. So, looks like that. Comes with a little bit of a mirror. This is pretty compact, so it'd be nice for traveling. This shades look really sturdy in here as well, so I don't think that there would be any problem with them falling out or anything like that. I haven't used every shade, but I've used 4 out of 6, so I've used these two, I've used this one, and this one. So I haven't used the green or the blue, which is the more exciting colors in the palette. This retails for $32. And so far the quality is there. I think it is a very natural palette. So, I mean, as advertised, packaging is super cute. I don't believe I've tried Butter London shadows before. So, yeah, I have to explore a little bit more of that. Next up is this lip gloss I am wearing right now. This is the Luna by Luna Cosmetics lip gloss in the shade Mars. So it's your typical kind of lip gloss, has a doe foot applicator, nothing really super different, if you know what I mean, but it is really nice, not sticky at all. It feels very comfortable. I don't know about longevity, but it is really nice so far, and that retails for $18. Next up, this Appeal Gel Liner. So this is in the shade Deep Taupe. I mean, it looks like a gel liner. It is super, super creamy, literally so creamy. And then this retails for $21. So this pencil, Milosh, what are you doing, bud? Well, he's just gonna be in the background then. This retails for $21. This item is the price of the box, so just saying. Last thing, we got this. This is new. I believe the Elemis Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. Okay, I have used this once. I'm laughing because, oh my god, it's so funny. So This reminds me, okay, I have a little brother. He's 15. Shout out Nicholas. I use this on my face and it's the same consistency and smell as his diaper rash cream when he was a baby. I'm not even kidding. So you know how like a scent brings you back? Like this freaking brings me back. So yeah, it's very, very thick. And it feels like a diaper rash cream. I don't know. No offense, Elemis. I'm sure like the diaper rash cream has really natural ingredients and that's why they're very similar in scent. But yeah, I mean, I didn't hate it. I just like could not get the feeling. And the scent lingers. It's not a bad scent at all. It's like very natural, clean, that kind of thing. But the scent does linger. So I could smell it on my skin after I washed the mask off. So if you're very, very sensitive to smell, it might not be the best for you. It retails for $35. You get 75 milligrams or milliliters, so that's 2.5 fluid ounces. All right, moving right along. So that was this month's Boxycharm, or at least my version. Ipsy. Now the bag this month is so cute and it's really like nice quality. Sometimes the bags are a little hit or miss, so I might be keeping this one. You open it up and the first thing is this Pacifico blush and bronzer duo. It comes with a mirror on the back. I think it's really nice. Both products I used today, no problems at all. I have used the bronzer twice now, the blush once. Blush is a little bit shiny, so if you're not into that, maybe stay away, maybe use it as a highlight. I don't think this comes with the prices. No, it doesn't come with the prices, but they are starting to put like what the product is here. I wish, you know, do the prices. So yeah, okay. Next thing, this Luxie brush. I love Luxie brushes. So like 2 subscription boxes gave me Luxie brushes. Hell yeah. This is their Luxie 1010 small contour. I think this is like their Pro series because it is a little bit nicer packaging. It feels really nice. I used this today for the bronzer. It worked really well. It is a little bit, it's not as stiff as I would like it to be, but I think it does blend everything really nicely. It feels very soft, so no issues there. I got a Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. So I've tried one Murad cleanser before and I did not like it, so I'm tempted to not even try this, but I think I might have to. It depends. If I run out of a cleanser soon, I will try it. If not, I might give it away, put it in a giveaway, give it to someone I know, you know, that kind of thing. Next up, which I don't know if I'm actually going to ever use this. This is the Red Earth Brighten Concentrate Oil. I think it's a vitamin C oil or something. So it looks like this. It's just a little, I think this is a sample. Focus on me. Okay. No. Okay. Well, it's a little oil, so I haven't tried this. It's still in the packaging, but we'll see how it goes. I don't know if I'm going to try it or not, but we'll see. And the last thing in this month's Ipsy bag is this Colored Rain eyeshadow. This is in the shade Who Me. It looks like this. It is all over my lids today. It's so pretty. I've never tried a Color Rain shadow, but this definitely makes me want to go and try some. So that was everything in my bag. And then Ipsy does this thing where you can add on products, and I added on a Huda Beauty palette like maybe 2 months ago or maybe a month ago, something like that. It was like $12. So I was able to get another one for $12, and this is the Mauve Obsessions one. So I will be dipping into this and I am so excited. I've never looked at this in person before. I feel like it's so weird that there's like a cream shade in here. I wish they had put like another mauve-y color in, because like I'm never gonna use that. But $12, definitely recommend looking at the add-on section. If there's something you've been eyeing, it might be in there. You might be able to get it for a deep discount. Last is the Allure. And this is in collaboration with Huda Beauty, Huda Katan of Huda Beauty. I don't know if I'm saying her name right. Please don't come for me. But first thing in the box is the Tony Moly. This is an intense snail mask, an intense care gold 24K snail hydrogel mask. So I think it comes in like 2 parts. It has like an upper part and then a bottom part. Sorry I'm talking so fast. I had a migraine earlier today and I'm feeling a little bit better, so I'm trying to get through, like push through this video so I can just get into the air conditioning because there's no air in this room. So yes, that's first. Second is this Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. This is in the shade 0, so it is kind of like a black. Right there. And I like their pencils. I have their Perversion pencil, which is also a black, so I need to see what the difference is between those. Next is this Way Hair Care Texturizing Hairspray. So I'm excited to try this. I've only used a couple things. I love Way's leave-in conditioner. It is super, super perfumed though. So again, if you're sensitive to smell, don't use that. I don't know if this is perfumed actually. Yep. Oh, shouldn't have done that because I have since I'm recovering from a migraine. Oh man. Moving right along, we got this K. Alley Vanilla perfume sample, and it says on here hudabeauty.com. So I don't know if they're just sold. I'm gonna look in the pamphlet that they sent. Oh, okay. So it's Kitan and her sister Mona. It's their yeah, it's their thing. Their brand together. So I haven't smelled this either, and since I just smelled that and it literally, okay, I haven't smelled that either. And the last thing or two things in the box are actually Huda Beauty products. So this is kind of amazing. So we got, or I got their her Allure ring liquid lip. Looks like that. I actually have not swatched this yet. Ooh, it's kind of like an orangey red, which I don't know if that actually will look good on me, but I shall try it. I have not used her matte formula. I have a lip topper from her, but I have not used her matte formula, so that's exciting. And then we also got some lashes. This is in the shade Samantha number 7. So this is what they look like. So I think that's so cool that she included 2 of these things from her, 3 of the things from her own line. So yeah, let me know what you think about that. We're gonna get right into that. Get ready with me using some of these products. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so for the sake of this get ready with me, I'm just gonna pick and choose stuff that I need to use. So the first thing, I think I'm just gonna do my eyes first because I don't really have any a lot of face products. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So I'm gonna start. I'm sorry if I'm a little lackluster in this video. I probably should just wait and film this, but I really want to get this done. I've had a migraine all morning, so I still have like a tinge of a headache, so I'm just kind of trying to push through it. So yeah, so I think I'm going to just start with the Butter London palette. I'm going to go lightly into this shade, the brown right here, and that is the shade Temptress. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have seen the Get Ready With Me I did with the July Boxycharm box, and I used this shade, and I went a little heavy-handed. So I'm doing it lightly now, just popping that in the crease. I do like these Luxie brushes though. I do think they're very nice. Lightly. So what I'm just doing is I'm putting it on one side. I don't even know if you can see that. Tapping it off and then just buffing it in. I mean, this isn't like rocket science. I'm just letting you know my technique for this particular shade. I am going to use from the Ipsy bag. I'm going to use the colored rain shadow that we got. I haven't put this on my eyes yet. So I'm just going to grab it on that other Luxie brush we got. Tap that on. I'm going to use my finger because I think that's going to be the best way. That's very pretty. So there's like a heat advisory in effect. I live in Philadelphia, so I don't know where else there is one, but I know more than like half the country is experiencing this heat wave. Thanks, global warming. So if you're in one of those states, just try to stay inside. I'm trying to do this as fast as possible because the room I'm in does not have any ventilation. I don't have a window open. So if I pass out, we know why. Now I'm going to go back into the Butter London palette and get Enchantress. And I do like this shade. I am going to pick it up on that brush and just pop it in the inner corner. Might have went a little heavy-handed. Alright, and then I am going to evaluate what I have. So I think I'm going to go do my... Oh no, I'm going to do my eyes. So I have this Appeal Cosmetics eyeliner. I'm going to just line my eyes. Alright. Nothing crazy, just line my eyes. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to do my base makeup and then we'll come back for bronzer and blush and lip gloss and all that jazz. So, okay. So I have foundation on and we're going to go into the Pacifica Little Duo. It has a blush which has like shimmer in it, so we'll see how it goes. And then a bronzer rather. So I'm going to take the brush that I got in the brush that I got in Ipsy. It's now covered in cat fur, and pick some product up. And what I like about this compact is that it has like a mirror on the back. I think that's so convenient. So I'm just gonna do a little bit of bronzing, contouring. Really like these brushes too. On my face, I have the Laura Geller Cover Lock foundation in the shade Porcelain, which is a little bit light for me right now. I just picked this up like yesterday, so I wanted to try it out. Because I don't know if she's going out of business. I know that their company filed for bankruptcy. I don't know if she's necessarily going out of business, but at Ulta, all of her stuff that was left was 75% off. So I picked this up. And I mean, I think I like it. It just might be a little too light. I like this bronzer though. And this brush picks up a lot of product. Alright, and then going in with the blush side of this, I'm taking a different Luxie brush and hoping that this isn't super shiny. Definitely has some shine to it. That, I'm going to go back into the Butter London palette and just grab the same fluffy brush I was using with the brown shade and run that under my lower lashes. And I'm going to re-intensify the inner corner highlight I laid down earlier because when I put concealer on, it kind of covered all of that. So, alrighty. And then for lips, I'm going to do the Luna by Luna Cosmetics lip gloss. And this is the shade Mars. And then we're just going to throw on some mascara, and that is the look. Okay, so I threw on some brows as well, which I used the Brow Gal pencil. This is the pencil in medium brown 04. This is so creamy. It's almost like too creamy. I need to play around with it a little bit more, but yeah, so that's the finished look using some of the products that I got in this month's box. Let me know if you like this style of video because I will definitely keep doing it. I think it's more beneficial for you to see how the products perform. I know I didn't use anything from the Allure box, but I'm not feeling lashes today, and it was a bright red lip, so yeah. But make sure you're subscribed before you leave, and please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me out. And yeah, comment down below. Do you subscribe to any of these boxes? What's your favorite one? What's your least favorite one? Let me know. Alright, bye.